Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Vivaldi browser. So as you can see right here, we have it here on Reddit in r/browsers. This person said, is Vivaldi the best sweet spot browser? And as you can see, the picture he posted is Vivaldi is the best browser, changed my mind. So basically, is praising Vivaldi. Before I start listing why I think Vivaldi is a sweet spot for browsers, I want to make it clear there is no perfect browser these days. So he goes over how Vivaldi is the best browser. He goes over the resource consumption in terms of CPU usage, features, support, politics, and a lot more. So this person actually said right here, Vivaldi's features are great on paper. Most of them are immature and unstable. So only a few of them, like tab split screen, cannot be replicated with extensions. So this person also agreed with him. I find that most of them are already more or less mature and stable, but I noticed that the browser has still some bugs sometimes. So what do you mean by tab split screen and extension thing? So basically, this person said UI hangs from time to time, and they go over the Vivaldi's flaws and bugs and features. But as in from my experience, the Vivaldi browser is one of the best browsers I have also used these days. So this person actually said that as a Mac or iOS user, I could say that Vivaldi is a sore spot. It does not exist for iOS, and Mac OS performs poorly, and a lot more. So if you're using a Mac OS or an iOS device, I wouldn't recommend using Vivaldi since it is not that good on iOS and Mac OS. But if you're using Windows or Android, Vivaldi is one great or a solid option to use as a browser. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.